The source of your desires comes from what your eyes see. Allah does not command us to fight our desires. Rather, He warns us to be cautious of the desires within us. Anyone who always blames others does not have time to correct their own mistakes. The more you blame others, the more convinced you are that you will enter paradise and others will enter hell. This mindset is dangerous because truly righteous people do not feel self-righteous. The more we possess, the more we must be prepared to bear sadness. Philosophically, the happiest person is the one who has nothing. We must understand that true goodness starts from its intention. Are we doing things because of Allah, from Allah, to Allah, or for Allah? We are commanded to invite people to pray, not to insult those who do not. We should invite people to Islam, not curse those who are not Muslim. When we preach, we should share the virtues of Islam, not condemn or declare non-Muslims as infidels. What drives us to love God is increasing contemplation, feeling, and reflection. This effectively enhances love and faith in God. We should not seek perfection because it is impossible. We should not feel discouraged when we fall. The most important thing is to rise again and never give up. Prayer is important because it is hope, and hope is a crucial part of happiness. Through prayer, we cultivate and maintain hope within ourselves to always be optimistic. Make hope like the breath of someone who is drowning. The attitude most needed when facing trials is patience. With every difficulty comes ease. Whatever your job, if it is for Allah, then it is considered worship. Train yourself, cleanse your heart, and remove all the veils that block you. Only then will you see God clearly and transcendently. When a servant is in distress, they complain, and when they are happy, they give thanks. This signifies a longing to behold the face of God, not to ask anything of Him.